Coronavirus concerns are coming to the forefront.
Yeah, Dr. Deborah Birx of the White House Coronavirus Task Force says when students leave campus, well, that's when problems may start.
You know, she visited the University of Tennessee earlier today, meeting with our local leaders and health officials.
WATE 6 on your side reporter Jordan Brown is here to show us what Dr. Birx had to say about UT's response to COVID-19. Jordan.
Well, Bo, Lori, for the most part, she was impressed. Still, she mentioned a big concern. We've all heard warnings about the danger of packed bars and restaurants, even shopping at the mall. But what many aren't considering are those moments with family. Dr. Birx is on her Midwest tour of universities. UT Knoxville, stop number 6. She says students and school employees are doing well, making changes as they go.
Clear that they have a strong testing plan, quarantine and isolation plan, and support of the students. We did see excellent utilization of masks by students on the campus.
A new problem is looming. She says the school may be looking at an uptick in cases when students come back from holiday break.
The majority of the spreading is happening in family gatherings and neighborhood gatherings, independent of being in a restaurant or a bar.
Birx says students have a social responsibility to themselves and the rest of the community to make smart choices during their breaks. The students we caught up with agree.
If people know when going back home that they have to be smarter about getting around their family and maybe not doing as much distance family and keeping it like close-knit, I think can help to improve people coming back and keeping cases low here.
Students say with the way school officials have handled the pandemic so far, they feel confident coming back next semester.
Yes, it is kind of scary, but it's also reassuring to know that they're really working for our well-being.
And with stop number 6, future plans are now in place for what happens come January. And the school will also be doing more surveillance testing. What is that? Well, it includes a few different ways of testing asymptomatic people and even groups. Lori?
All right, Jordan, thank you. And listen to this. Dr. Birx says campus should stay open. She fears closing would force students living off campus to stick around and hold those gatherings. With school in session, she says there's obviously more structure.